Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable Apple Intelligence on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to disable or turn off Apple Intelligence, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Apple Intelligence and Siri option. You must have to tap on that. Once you have that, you'll get the Apple Intelligence and you'll get the toggle in front of there. So you must have to simply disable that toggle. Once you have disabled the toggle, it will automatically turn off every kind of Apple Intelligence from your phone. So you must have to tap on turn off Apple Intelligence. Once you have Apple Intelligence will be completely disabled from your phone. You can also disable a Siri from here. So in this way, you can easily disable Apple Intelligence on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.